Hello, my dear student. How are you? I hope you are doing well at home. Today, I'm going to make a review from the previous lesson that we studied in school. Also, I'm talking about the past simple tense as I explained for you in our class. Now I'm telling you that what was the past tense. As you know, the past simple tense, which is something that happened in the past and finish it in the same time. As I told you, the action which is like this from her, which is started in the past and finish it in the same time. As I said, for example, I played tennis yesterday. I walked in the garden last Monday. I played tennis with my friend. So it means that you did something which has happened in the past and finish it in the same time. Also, we talked about the affirmative. We talked about negative form as we have in our book in Unit 11, Unit 12. Also in Unit 13, we will talk about the past simple. In Unit 11, we talked about past simple to be affirmative. How we will use it with affirmative sentence. So it means like simple sentence. Like, yesterday I went to picnic. We are using yesterday, which is adverb of time, with the subject. Even the subject it was I, we, you, they, he, she, it, plus the verb, which is the verb, it's a regular verb, to picnic. As I told you, my student, we have two types of verb. Some of them is regular, some of the verb it is in past simple. We have two types of verbs like this. In past simple, the verbs it will take ed when it's irregular verbs. For example, look is gonna be looked, wash gonna be washed, crash is gonna be crashed. But we have some verbs they are need to be learned, which we call them irregular verbs. For example, write is gonna be wrote, go will be went. Look at the examples. I went to school yesterday. I wrote my letters last week. Okay? This is called the affirmative rule. Now we have a negative rule of past simple. In negative form, we are using did. Okay? We are using did and. So we add not after did for make a negative sentence. I didn't wash my car yesterday. She didn't write a letter last week, we can say. Okay? Also, we have a note in here. As I told you, in our note, I wrote in English and in Kurdish for you, both of it. I said, حركة كرستيكي أري affirmative بكينا negative. It means if we change the affirmative sentence to negative sentence, we will change the verb. If the verb had ed or it was irregular verb like wrote, we will change it to the base form. Okay, my dear students, we have Unit 13 and Lesson 1. As you know, we have the vocabularies, but in Unit 13, it will talk about just talking about past simple to be. Okay, to be with negative. Okay, we are using the past simple with verb
The past
to
tense
be.
of to be in English has two forms.
Okay. Past simple English has two forms. Look at it. We have the subjects I, he, she, it. They, we, you. We are using I, he, she, it because they are singular. We are using with was, verb to be. But we are using They, we, you, with, were. Because they are plural. So it means that we are using he, she, it, I with was. But we are using they, we, you with were. Okay? Like her. Look at the video.
Was and were.
I was
ill last weekend.
weekend. He used I with
I was
was.
ill last weekend.
I was in class last Sunday.
I was in class last Sunday.
You got it? We have were.
You were very kind last night.
He used we with were. You were very kind last night.
They were in Paris last year.
Used they with were because it's
They were in
plural.
Paris last year. Jane was at the library yesterday.
Okay, you got it? Also, open your book, your activity book. Open your activity book, page 52, unit 13, lesson 1. As I told you, we have a vocabularies, beach, path, rock. It's all the things that we have in these pictures. Camera, rock, skateboard. We have a lot of things. We will exercise this one at home. Okay? Also, you are using with singular with I, he, she, it, was, and using with plural they, we, you, plus were. Okay? For example, it was on the path. Okay? You will exercise this one at home. And here we have, you will write the name of the thing as you have those names in your student book. Look at it. Just page here. It is this picture. You are page 17. You are going to write the name of the things: rock, beach, fence, cliff, sea, path. You will write it in here. Okay, guys? I hope you have a nice time, and I hope you all are enjoyed in my lesson. Thank you for your listening. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.